I find most people put off this phone decision for years. Usually, it is a sign that the old system is winning by default rather than merit.
That is exactly where I am at. I have a dozen employees and 2 locations, and I am just ready to ask everything I have been avoiding.
That is literally why I am here. Let's get into the real questions that business owners actually care about, starting with the one everybody dances around.
The money question. Every website says to contact them for pricing, and I hate it. What does a system like this actually cost?
I hate that too. Hosted VoIP usually lands between $20 and $50 per user. The big difference with us is we absorb the taxes and fees.
So there are no mystery fees showing up on the bill in month 3? I find that hard to believe in the telecom world.
It is just how we bill. Most people have never totaled their current maintenance contracts and technician visits. Once they do, the savings are pretty clear.
My biggest fear is my phone number. It is on 12 years of truck wraps and magnets. Do I lose it if I switch?
No, federal law says those numbers belong to you. Your old provider cannot refuse to release them, even if there is a dispute.
Okay, but what happens when the internet goes out? My old copper lines worked even when the power was dead.
A desk phone needs power, but the system lives in the cloud now. If your building goes dark, calls automatically reroute to mobile apps or your other location.
That actually makes sense. Right now, my techs use their personal cells, and customers call them directly on weekends. It is a total mess.
We fix that with caller ID masking. Your tech uses an app, but the customer only sees the company number. It keeps their personal lives private.
Is that legal? It sounds like those spam calls that fake their numbers to get people to pick up.
It is completely legal because you own the number. It is much better than dialing star 67, which most people just ignore these days.
What is the one thing I should be asking that I haven't mentioned yet? There is always something hidden.
Check your 911 settings. Federal law requires that emergency calls carry your exact street address and suite number without dialing 9 first.
I honestly have no idea if our current system does that. I should probably check that as soon as we finish.
That should be your homework regardless of who you use. It is the cheapest insurance you will ever buy for your business.
You have made this sound a lot easier than I expected. I was bracing for a massive headache.
25 years of practice helps. We just keep it simple. A real person answers when you call, and that is our whole philosophy.
I appreciate the honesty. It definitely gives me a lot to think about for the new locations.